Welcome to Sales Cookie, everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through some of the most common attainment level options used by our customers. So the easy one is fixed values, whether it's revenue, profit, scoring values, or fixed counts. So let's go look at, I'm within the plan setup, I'm on the incentive tab, I've chosen for attainment levels, fixed values, and as you can see, I've got my revenue metric and I've chosen 100,000 versus 150,000. I can definitely add more attainment levels if I want. So that's easy to do. The next option would be, say, a fixed quota, and say I had a $100,000 quota that I want to assign to all my reps, and I can just assign it different percentages, including, say, I'm getting to 100% versus 150% of that plan level quota and what the corresponding prices are. So that's another straightforward, easy to use example. The most common example I see clients using is our percentage of a per dynamic quota, and what that means is, say I've assigned a value or a variable name of a quota. I can go on every user record, go to their custom tab and set up quotas or whatever metric value I want to assign and make it time dependent. So it's available for all of 2021 or it's by quarter. Obviously, this is time consuming doing it one user at a time. So you can use our interactive bulk set dynamic quota tool where you can just drop in all your reps with their quotas and the time period and upload it directly. And then what this plan would do is go check on each rep one by one and see how did they perform against their own custom quota. So hopefully that was helpful in terms of just some quick sneak peek into attainment level options. Any questions, drop us a line. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.